Guys, they got it made. They can look up, down, left, right. They see it all or nothing. Ears, on the other hand, poor ears. They hear everything. The good, the bad, the... Hey, you! But it's a new day for listeners. Hey, ears, say hello to Galaxy Buds Pro. This isn't just an earbud. It's complete ear control. Putting these in is like putting a sound studio in your ear. No, seriously. We fit an 11mm woofer and a 6.5mm tweeter in each. It feels like you're sitting here, even when you're here. Yep, with 2 levels of active noise canceling that eliminate up to 99% of background noise. But here's the thing about this active noise canceling. You can turn it down with your voice.
Can I get a number 1 with extra onions and chili sauce?
Good choice.
This sensor can detect when you speak, and its AI algorithm automatically turns your music down and the world up.
Thank you.
No hands required.
Which way is Broadway?
We're on Broadway.
All right, thanks.
It's called Intelligent ANC, which means your earbuds are smarter than ever before. And with 4 levels of ambient mode, they're more adjustable. This is ambient mode at level 1. And this is ambient mode at level 4.
Hey, what's up?
She sounds great.
Good.
And you sound amazing.
Just riding around the city. It is crazy windy today.
Must be the 3 mics with windshield technology that adapt to those windy days.
Okay, gotta run. Goodbye.
Oh, one more thing before you go. Introducing 360 audio with Dolby head tracking. Just pair with Galaxy S21 and be immersed in the action, no matter which way you go or turn. Lucky ears, because with Galaxy Buds Pro, what they hear is up to you. Oh, don't be jealous, eyes.
Welcome to MIULEE's channel. I'm Stacy. In this video I'm going to show you a type of vintage pillow covers. One side is a simple texture mode. Wow! On the other side there are 3 buttons on the cover. Buttons could bring your family peace and love, and linen material give us a natural feeling. They can accompany you all the year, and it can be a perfect gift for your friends. Do it home, touch your life.
When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. And that's why NordicTrack includes a 1-month free trial iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted by some of the most professional and engaging trainers on the planet. Simply connect your phone or tablet to the treadmill via Bluetooth and be ready to work out with the likes of Tommy Rivers Pusey, Hannah Eaton, John Peel, and so many more, including me, Evan Dollard. I have workouts from California to Austria, and I cannot wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. This experience is the undeniable difference that makes the 6.5S a great treadmill to help you reach your fitness goals. Now, let's hit some key features. They truly matter, and were designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. The T6.5S has Bluetooth capability, so your trainer can control your workout and you can feel the incline all the way up to 10%. You will love the one-touch controls, which makes adjusting speed and incline as simple as a single touch. The Space Saver design is an amazing feature to keep it folded up and out of the way when you're not fully immersed with me on the picturesque island of Santorini, Greece. Interactive personal training in your home, on your time. Welcome to NordicTrack.
ProSource Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set is designed to eliminate muscle pain, relieve stress, aches, muscle tension, and increase blood circulation. The therapeutic effect of the applicator is the impact of needles on the biologically active points on the human body. The acupressure mat has 6,210 acupressure pins strategically placed for a better result. It is made from 100% high-quality thick cotton and plant-based foam. Simply lie on the mat and close your eyes. The beneficial healing and relaxing effects of the applicator will be felt from the very first use. By using ProSource Acupressure Mat and Pillow for 20 minutes a day, you can feel complete pain relief and relaxation in your back and neck. Order now.